May 31st is China's traditional dragon boat festival that dates back 2,000 years. Racing dragon boats is ferocious fun. Drums pound, water splashes, and 20 paddlers in long boats with dragon head bows scream, "Go, go, go!" Now, the yearly festival occurs all across China, Asia, and the world. In the U.S. alone, there's more than 300 dragon boat races every year. I've been so lucky to race on wonderful dragon boat teams in China, Philly,
Go! 2, 3.
Chicago, Salt Lake City, 1, 2, 3, and a big one in San Francisco. Even won a medal or two. So find some kind dragon boaters, paddle your ass off, and stay out of the water.